In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task rules in Asana. Rules in Asana help you automate routine actions so your project stays organized without constant manual updates. Think of them as simple, if this happens, then do that instructions for your project. We'll walk through creating a rule that reacts when a task is completed, moves it to the right section, and lets collaborators know what changed. First, open the project where you want the rule to live. You can be in board or list view, either works. Just make sure you're in the correct project because rules apply only to the project you're viewing. If you work in multiple projects, it's a good habit to confirm the project name at the top before you start. Next, look for the Customize button on the right side of your project. This opens a panel with project level options. Select Rules, then choose Plus Add Rule. This takes you into the rule builder where you'll decide what should trigger the rule and what actions Asana should take automatically. If you don't immediately see rules, your plan or permissions may limit access, so ensure you're working within the correct workspace and project. Before setting the logic, open the settings gear inside the rule builder and set the scope to runs on tasks. This ensures the rule targets your main tasks only, not subtasks. That distinction matters if you rely on subtasks for checklists or separate workflows and don't want those to trigger broader project changes. Now set up your rules logic. For the trigger, choose task marked complete. This tells Asana to watch for the exact moment a task is finished. For the actions, select Move Task to the completed section so finished work lands in the correct place for reporting and visibility. Then add Notify Collaborators, which sends an update to everyone following the task. Notifications keep your team aligned without extra pings or manual comments. If your project uses a different final section name, select that section instead. And if your task feed gets noisy, you can fine-tune notifications by choosing the most relevant audience. As you configure this, keep your naming and choices clear so it's easy to understand at a glance later. When you finalize the trigger and actions, the rule is ready. From now on, every time someone marks a task complete in this project, Asana will move it to the right section and notify collaborators automatically. That's one more repetitive step off your plate, and your project stays tidy and up to date with no extra effort.